I spent 2 hours editing this video and I realized I wasn't happy with it because I didn't get my point across clearly. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put some oomph into it, right? Listen to what I'm saying, okay? Listen, focus. The Mogwai Reversal strategy was created by Michael Austin, okay? It's a strategy with the buy and short. You can see it on my charts in front of me. I didn't create this strategy. I got a PDF from Michael Austin here on the 24th of September 2023. This is the PDF that started the Mogwai Reversal strategy. Setup, how to trade it, what we're looking for, the currency pairs, the rules, some live examples, some sells, some buys. Again here, buy example, okay? I got this PDF at the exact same time as all of the members. Michael sent me it, and then I sent it in the members area, Telegram, okay? So I had no advantage to anybody else. I got this strategy at the exact same time. But why am I absolutely smashing it? Let me show you, okay? Let me show you, right? And again, I want you to literally read between the lines, black and white, simple, okay? So these are my results, okay? So as you can see, today, gold, not gold, Euro USD, 100%. The week, week, there we go, week, 2.5 grand. Okay, as you can see when it focuses, look at all there. Yeah, look at that, all those blues. See that? All those blues, look at that. And then some losses on gold. This is my month, okay, 31 grand. See? All this way, look at this one here, you ready? Look, all these blues, blues, couple of reds. Reds, red, blues, some more reds, blues, reds, okay? How do you do it, Jamie? Let me explain. First of all, do not think that I have any magic power on the charts. I am not, when I trade this strategy, I am no different to anybody else. I'm not using price action. Well, a basic price action, right? Highs and lows, trends. That is it. Looking at the charts going, this is a trend. Lower low, lower high, previous lows and highs. That's it. I'm not looking at any other time frame. I don't have some advanced, superior trading knowledge, right? I'm just following the rules. When this strategy came out, I sat in this chair for hours, days, weeks, simulating this strategy, going over all of my live trading results, all of my simulated results, and trying to find a pattern, trying to understand why the winners were winners and the losses were losses. Now, Michael Austin, if we just go over to the Telegram group, as you can see, everyone's all talking. Michael Austin, the way he trades this, okay, if I just go to Mogwai Reversal strategy, and I'll just show you here. There we go there. So this is Michael Austin. Smashed it today. 1 to 2 really fast. GU giving away money today. Amazing setup. Was a banger, mate. Gave me 30% on my other account. So Michael Austin will literally take every single setup that appears for 1 to 2. Will not manage it, right? Because that's what works for him, right? It's his style of trading. And this is the point of this video. You need to do what you need to do. You need to take responsibility for your own trading, right? When this strategy came out, like I said, I sat there and I simulated and I took all the trades, right? Most of them were losses, some were winners, and I was trying to figure out the pattern. Why? Why were the winners winners? Why were the losses losses? Was my stop loss in the wrong place? Was I buying at the top of an uptrend? What was it? And over the 8 months, because like I said, this strategy has been out for 8 months, every single day I improved. Do you know what everyone else did? Everybody else sat in the Telegram group talking to one another, chin wagging. It's like blind leading the blind. This guy copies that guy, who copies that guy, who copies that guy. You just go around in circles. Literally. That's what you do. You just go around in circles, watching this video, watching that video, trying that, trying this. Nothing works for you. But I took myself away from everyone. I took myself away from the distraction, and I sat here and I learned. I learned the strategy and I came up with some few basic rules which I think majority of traders now trade, right? The first one is I will only take the first pullback in a trend. I've established the first pullback because my style of trading is this, right? I want to jump on the charts at a specific time. I want to be guaranteed setups and I want those setups to be consistent winners, okay? And that is it. I'm not bothered about anything else. You can claim you're the best trader in the world. I'm not interested. You can claim that your strategy is phenomenal. That's fine. I'm not interested. Just want to jump on the charts, make money, jump off. That is it. You can, like Michael Austin with his 30% in one day. You can have that. I'm not interested. I just want to jump on the charts, make money, turn off, go enjoy life. Me, done. Give me the simplest and probability way or highest probability way of doing it. And this is exactly what I've done over 8 months. Nobody else taught me this. Nobody else showed me. I had to do this myself. Me. You know when somebody says, right, if I said to you right now, I'm going to do 1,000 winning trades with the Mogwai Reversal strategy, you would say right now, it's impossible, it's a scam, it's a lie, you can't do it. No. Just because something hasn't been done doesn't mean it can't be done. Yes, the probability is very slim. Yes, it will be very hard and I'll probably fail about 100 times, but it can be done. The probability is it can be done. Very slimly, but it can be done. And just because it hasn't been done doesn't mean it can't be. And I will push myself every single day. Oh, I've got a loss. I'm not going to accept that loss. Why did I get a loss? What did I do wrong? How can I avoid that loss? What can I do to maximize winners? If you're just going to be Mr. Negative over there, just being distracted by everyone else and watching what everyone else is doing, and this guy's doing some better, so you're going to copy him, and you can't do this, that's fine. You be Mr. Negative, not my problem. I'm not going to save you. I can't help you. When people come to me, right, and they say, Jamie, I've got this strategy that's 100% win ratio. I mean, key example here. Jamie, I trade the thebinarydestroyer. I've got a 90% win ratio in backtesting. That means nothing to me. That information is a waste of my time because you're the one with the 90% win ratio, not me, right? I need to focus on what works for me. I don't know what trades you're taking. I don't know if they're good setups. I don't know if it's complete fluke. I don't know if the settings are right. I don't know, right? That's your problem, not mine. I need to work on me and my things, right? It's the exact same when people fail, right? I get a lot of people, not a lot of people, but some people say, Jamie, I've tried the Mogwai Reversal strategy, it didn't work. You know what my answer would be? I would literally pull you straight up. I'll be like, okay, let me watch you trade. If you think you can trade the Mogwai Reversal strategy, let me see you trade. Let me see your thought process. Let me see the trades you take, why you're taking them, where's your stop loss, where's your take profit, and I'll be able to see where you're going wrong. And most people then go, oh, I'm not doing that. It's like, well, no. It's not some conspiracy theory. I'm not trying to pull you up. I'm just saying, black or white. If you're not successful with this, let me see you trade and let me see where you're going wrong. Right? Let's work on that. Why are you getting those losses? So this is literally all I do now, right? I say that, but then tomorrow I'll just take every setup. So I've established one thing, right? I will always take the first pullback. So to give you an example here, this is the first pullback in a downtrend. I know that if I take the first pullback, it gives me the highest probability. I'm not saying the second doesn't win. I just want to take the first because I want to take just winners. It's all I want to do. I'm not care if this is the winner. I know the first will give me the best probability. So if we look at Euro USD, I've established this, right? At 8 o'clock, I jump on the charts, or 7:55. I'll set my alarm off at 7:50. I get out of bed, coffee, 5 minutes, up here, 7:55, load up the charts. Right, let's go. I'm on here for an hour. Need to make some money so I can go enjoy the rest of the day. 8 o'clock, first MACD arrow that appears. This is technically how the Mogwai Reversal strategy works because it works with the MACD going over bought or sold. First MACD arrow, I would take it for 1 to 2, a 1 to 1. If it wins, done. Made 1% today. If it loses, I take the opposite, the second MACD arrow. The second MACD arrow, and the reason why I do this is, again, I've learnt this. No one else has shown me this. I've learnt this. And it's not because I've got some superior skill. It's because there's a big difference between taking your first Mogwai signal and your 1,000 Mogwai signal. After 1,000 Mogwai reversal signals or setups, you kind of can find a pattern. You find the pattern and where you're going wrong. So one of these setups, whether it's the first MACD or the second MACD, will be with the trend. On this occasion, which was this morning, price went sideways, okay, which is fine. Doesn't matter because it will win anyway, okay. So obviously on this one, the first setup win. There you go, 1% done. That was Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. If we look at Monday, okay, let's look at Monday. Look at that beautiful sell here. Look at that. First pullback, downtrend, first pullback. Look at that. Again, that's what I said. First one's always winning, right? You don't want to take the second one down here. You see here? Right, that's the second one. Where's the first one? All the way up here. It's simple, right? That's not some superior knowledge that's just zooming out like here and going, well, that's clearly the top of that uptrend and that's clearly the bottom. How do I know that's the bottom? I don't, but I definitely know that's the top because by the time this signal appears, I'm looking going, well, that's the first one. That's the one I should have taken. Not interested in that one, all right? Same with this one. This is not the first one. The first one is technically just there, that MACD arrow there, because that's the first MACD arrow. That's the second one, okay? But again, I wouldn't take that one because it's touched the EMA, but I'll show you. But anyway, this is Monday. This is Monday. Look at that one. The first MACD arrow, 25 minutes after London Open, okay? That one won for a 1-to-1. Took it yesterday, right? I was actually at Alton Towers. I was actually in a theme park when that signal appeared. Notice how the second one is with the trend and it went to a 1-to-2. Like I said, I've learned this. I've learned it. Nobody showed me. I'm not sat there chin wagging and all this. I've spent the time. I've spent the time, right? Let's look at last week, okay? Because I'll show you. Here we go. Here's a good example of last week. So last week on Friday, MACD arrow. That's the first MACD arrow after London Open. That one lost. But like I said, if the first one loses, it's very likely against the trend. So the second one would be with the trend, which it is. Funny enough, this is also a Mogwai reversal signal because if I turn that off, there's the MACD, there's the Mogwai reversal setup. It was a beautiful winner, right? As you can see here, this was NFP. Beautiful, 1-to-2, got my loss back. Thank you very much. Right, let's look at Thursday, right? Let's look at Thursday. Okay, this was Thursday. So first MACD arrow after London Open went to a 1-to-2, 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. I got a 1-to-1 out of that one. Technically, I could have got a bit more, but I know in my back testing, 1-to-1's perfect. I then took this one here because this is a Mogwai signal with the trend. Notice how it's the first pullback, the first. Again, it's not complicated, guys. This is the point of this video. It's trading doesn't need to be complicated, right? Everybody's problem is trading with emotion. Even people that teach people to trade, it's all based on emotion. If you ask someone that's made money in crypto, should I invest into crypto? They'll tell you yes. Ask anybody that's lost money in crypto, will tell you no, right? It's based on emotion. That's all it is. There's no probability about that. Everything I'm doing is based off probability and numbers because numbers do not lie, okay? First, second, bang, 2% done. It's not difficult, okay? The hardest part is trading with emotion, right? Oh, I can't do this. I just enter trades. I'm not patient enough. I'm not disciplined enough. Even watching other people, right? Even because I studied human psychology, right? So I understand how people's thought process works probably better than what they know. Another top tip that people don't really know is when people buy a new course, indicator, strategy, they're doing it based on motivation. They're hopeful that this is going to work, this is going to change their life, they're all excited, right? Emotion. Then it kind of doesn't quite work for them. They start to struggle. They get frustrated. They then look around at all the other traders to see if it's still successful for them. They're reassuring themselves that it still works, but it's their, it's them. They need to, learn more. The moment you look at what other people are doing to reassure yourself, that's the moment you fail. It's pure discipline, right? I don't know. When I'm showing what I'm showing you here, I learned that. I got the same PDF as everybody else. I just learned. I just sat there and analyzed. If you are struggling with trading with emotion, do you know what I would say? Go down to the local hospital and look at all the people in there, all the children in there with severe life illnesses. And then tell me if you've got it bad because you can't chase trade, you can't stop chasing trades, you can't follow a strategy, you're not disciplined enough. You think you've got it bad, go to that hospital and then come back and tell me if you got it back. You can fix it like that. You sit in this chair and you go, today, I'm not going to chase trades. Tomorrow, you can chase trades. You can do what you want tomorrow. But today is the day. You sit here, you take yourself from the distraction and you focus. You know exactly what you are doing on what currency pair. You know what strategy you're trading. You know what you're looking for. You know where your stop loss and take profit is. You know exactly what you have to do today. Today is the day. You sit here, you take trades. Tomorrow, you can do what you want. But today, you turn into a trader. And then once you get today out of the way, do the same again tomorrow. Take each day as it comes. Day turns into week, turns into month, turn into year. I know exactly what I'm doing every single day. I just have to sit here. I know, I'll give you an example here. Let's look at randomly. USD CAD, right? I want to show you USD CAD. This is how confident, see how confident I am. Because like I said, I know exactly what I'm looking at every single day. Right? I mean, look, this is terrible, by the way, because price is ranging. Let's have a look at Monday. Let's have a look at USD CAD on what I'm doing. Okay, so let's find 8 o'clock. Here we go here. You ready? 8 o'clock, London Open. First MACD arrow. Oh, look. Just there. Look at there. 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Done. You ready? There you go there. 10 pip take profit. Now, this one, obviously, look, is with the trend. So, this one would have gone for a 1 to 2. I got a 1 to 1 out of that. Well, I would have got a 1 to 1. Done. Let's look at today. Let's look at today. I don't know if today won, but let's look at today. You ready? So let's look at Tuesday. Look at all these setups here. But again, price, I wouldn't take any of these. No, none of these. Okay, so let's look at, here we go here. You ready? Ready? Tuesday now. So this is this morning. 8 o'clock. There. 7-11. 8 o'clock. Here we go here. So this one here is the first Mogwai signal after 8 o'clock. If I just turn that off there you go there. There's a signal. Funny enough, it's the same time as, is that exactly? No, actually, that's not the setup because that's 7:59. Let me just double check that. No, you see, that arrow appeared at 7:59. So that's not the setup. There's the setup there. That's the first one. And look, that one won. You see? I am already at 2% on a random currency pair because I've done my simulating, I've done my back testing, I know exactly what I'm looking at. And this is what I want you to do. This is the point of me doing this video. Tomorrow, you're going to sit in your chair. You're going to write down on a piece of paper exactly what you are going to do. I am going to jump on the charts at a Pacific time. I'm going to load up the charts. I'm going to be looking at 1 or 2 currency pairs, whatever, right? Have a plan. 1 or 2 currency pairs. I'm going to be looking for this kind of setup and then a screenshot of that setup on the wall like this here. And you're going to go, right, setup. Does it look like that? No, not taking the trade. Next one. Okay, I've been on the charts for 2 hours now. That's my trading done. Walk away. Come back tomorrow. That's it. Start getting structure in place. Nobody else is going to do that for you. I can try and motivate you as much as I can on a video, but I can only do as much as I can do. If you are going to quit, you will just quit. I cannot save you, right? Quitters will quit, winners will winners, okay? Like I said, my mindset, and I always say to this one, not to say that I'm better than everybody, but my mindset is on a completely different level. If I have to get up at 4 a.m. to sit there and improve on where I'm going wrong, I will do. I don't accept losses as losses. I accept that I made a mistake. How can I avoid that loss? They don't just happen. I did something. And once I get like 50 losses, I can then find out a pattern. Why are these 50 losses? What's in common? Because most of the time, like when I first started learning the Mogwai Reversal strategy, like going back to gold, right? Going back to gold, I established that like taking the second Mogwai reversal signal is not the best as the first. So when I analysed all of my losses, I realised that most of the losses were the second pullback. Now, I'm not saying the second pullback doesn't work. I'm just looking at my losses, and I've established that from numbers, from looking at the probability, not looking at what somebody's told me they've done, because that's based on emotion, and the way, what you do is what you do. It's not going to be the same for what I do. Do you know what I mean? It's like Michael Austin. He will go for a 1 to 2, take every Mogwai reversal setup, make 30% in one day, because he's like that. He's high risk, in and out, and he likes to trade that way. For me, I'm not interested in that. For me, I just want to jump on the charts, give me 1 or 2 winning trades a day, done. Give you an example here. Let's pick a random currency pair. Euro JPY. Let's look at today. A guarantee. Guarantee this will make money as well. You ready? Because again, every single day I'm improving. You ready? So let's find Monday. Let's find Monday. You ready? Here we go here, Monday. So 8 o'clock, first MACD arrow is just there. You ready? MACD arrow there. That one looks like let me just work it out here. First MACD arrow, short position here. Okay, 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Did that win? I don't think it won. No, okay. So because that lost, I go to the second MACD signal, which is a buy, sell to buy or buy to sell, which is there, okay? Does that one win? Let's have a look here. Long position, let's have a look there. So obviously 10 pip stop loss. To be fair with you, I probably would have just got my loss back, okay? So would have got 10 pips out of that one. Yeah, okay, done. So on Monday, I would have been broke even. Now, by the way, I haven't simulated Euro JPY. Very random pair. So I don't even know. Most of the time I stick to the majors. Okay, so obviously here I probably would have got broke even. In fact, there you go. That one would have won for 1 to 2. But if I'm being honest with you, I probably wouldn't have got a 1 to 2. I would have just got 1%. I would have just got break even. Now, Tuesday. Let's have a look at Tuesday. Okay, let's have a look at Tuesday. Okay, let's look at Tuesday. Here we go here. Tuesday, you ready? Okay, where's the first MACD signal? Bang. Look at that one. This one. Look at this one. This is a banger of a trade. See, I would have made 2%. I would have made 2% on this. Look at this one. So you see here how 942, that is the first MACD signal. That one lost. But look at the second one. The second one is with the trend. Like I said, if it's not the first one, the second one's with the trend. Sometimes the first one's with the trend. Okay? The second one, look at that one. If I turn that off there, bang. MACD signal 1 to 2. Now what's funny is Monday went for a 1 to 2. Tuesday went for a 1 to 2. Now Monday I would have closed it off at a 1 to 1. Right? So you see where I've gone wrong? I'm like overthinking it now. I'm sitting there going, I should have gone Monday to a 1 to 2. Because then Tuesday I went for a 1 to 2 and I would have been up 2% for the day. You see? It's analysing always, trying to improve every single day. The less you spend talking to everyone else and the more you spend on yourself, the better you become. So I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer.